As a Microsoft partner, we deliver business intelligence and SQL projects to all types of organizations. In this showcase, we present a solution dedicated to CFOs in sales companies. Many organizations create reports using Microsoft Excel, and the files are circulated among all teams members. This kind of cooperation can generate false data in business-critical reports. Moreover, this may result in the wrong business decision being made. Unauthorized employees should not have access to sensitive data. Sometimes the time spent in preparing a report can be counted in days or even months. This showcase uses Power BI to avoid all these problems, and with rich experience, we can build reports like this to all CFOs around the world. So let's go through our solution. What we see here is the first report. It is a status update on the implementation of the plan. This is the dashboard for the CFO showing key performance indicators related to the financial condition of the company. In the upper part, they are presented as a percentage on both the monthly and quarterly scale. In the bar graphs, we see several values. They are clearly visible so that users can immediately recognize predominant sales trends. So let's go to the second report. For the second report, we have used map visualization to show the correlation between sales data and geographical area. After opening this tab, the CFO is presented with a view that shows the locations with the greatest sales and presents those sales as a percentage of the overall results. After selecting a specific client from the chart on the left, the entire report is transformed. The data presented in the other visualization are filtered out according to your selection. This is very handy because our users don't have to generate a dozen or so reports with separate results for each customer. So in the third report, the CFO sees the financial position of their organization, including revenues and outgoings. Here we see a bank statement for the account and the deposits made into each of the company's accounts. The fourth report shows overdue payments and specific contractors involved. The visualization on the right shows company logos and the value of the backlog that hasn't yet been settled. The key column in the visualization is average delay, which allows the CFO to predict delays related to account receivables. The orange graph on the left helps you to quickly determine the relationship between aging receivables. In the fifth report, we see the aging of liabilities, which are presented together with filters to dynamically define the range of days for presenting the results. We can also select a specific client from the drop-down list so that the visualization presents only the data for the company we are interested in. On the right, you can see a similar graph with the average delay of liability. The most detailed view of the account, it shows the last 30 days, with all debits and credits. Using this view, the CFO can quickly access the current financial position of the organization and see, 1 month ahead, how the account balance may change with planned operations. So, these reports are our solution for CFOs. Reports for the CFOs are very useful tools for quickly creating key reports for information key stakeholders about the financial position of their organization. By using these reports, you can reduce the time and, of course, the money that you spend on preparing and calculating key indicators from the several days to just a few minutes.